In the next exercise video, the goal is to keep these 3 things in mind. Number 1, you want to jump from the ball of your feet. This keeps things light. If you let your heel touch the ground, you might feel that stomp. We don't want that. So keep your heels off the ground and just jump with the ball of your feet. That's number 1. Number 2, make sure we stay low. So notice my knee is bent. As I jump out, they're bent. Jump in, they're also bent. There's no up and down. Notice my head. I'm not going up and down like this. Staying low. As I jump, there's not too much up and down movement. Just out, in, out, in. Number 3, we want to make sure that you bring your feet back into the center. I see many students do this sometimes. They come in short, not all the way in. So they do this versus coming all the way back to the center, okay? Those are the 3 key things that I want you to keep in mind. Now in the next video, what I want you to do is to do 2 jumping jacks followed by 2 pauses. Gives you a little bit break. So it will look like this with the count. 1 and 2 and 5 and 6 and 7. Now the 3, 4, and the 7, 8, I kind of whisper it because we're just holding our pauses. So you're gonna see in the next video, you're gonna do that with me. Do it with the video, and it's gonna go for about 8 counts. It's gonna build in that muscle memory that we need to progress. Have fun, good luck, and I'll see you in the following video.